Hey guys, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can automate your sales funnel and set up a passive income business using System.io. If you haven't already, I highly recommend that you sign up for a free account. And if you'd like to get a 40% discount on the annual paid plan, should you decide to upgrade later on, you may sign up using my affiliate link below. So go ahead and create your account and get back to this video. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, there's a couple of things you need to have in order to set up a sales funnel and start generating automated sales. First, you need to have your paid offer you're ready to sell, which serves as your signature offer or your main offer. Next, you should have your high-ticket offer, which we'll be calling as your upsell in this video tutorial. Lastly, you need to have a low-ticket offer as your downsell in your funnel step in case your leads decline your upsell offer. And by the way, if you'd like to use this template I'm using in this video, go check out our cash flow funnel bundle. It includes a Canva lead magnet template, lead nurturing email template that has up to 26 emails designed to convert your leads, and this 4-page sales funnel template strategically designed to turn your visitors into buyers. Go click the link below. Once you're logged into your account, click on Funnels and create your funnel page. Click on Create. Type in the name of your funnel, and for the purpose of this video, let's select Sell as your funnel goal. Then click on Save. This funnel goal would automatically load up 2 funnel steps here, as you can see: an order form and a thank you page. Click on Add Step. Type in the name of your page. In this example, you would initially need a sales page. Type in your sales page name and choose the funnel type sales page. Drag the sales page to the top of your funnel step, just like so, and begin choosing a funnel template of your liking. Let's choose this one. Click Select, then click on Edit Page. Now, if you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to use the funnel builder, you can check out my crash course called Lead Gen on Autopilot, where I'll walk you through how to set everything up on your back end. I'll link the page below if you'd like to check it out. Moving on, if you'd like to proceed following this video, simply follow these simple steps to get you started. Let's start. Before you edit your opt-in page, you should already have your page copy ready, so you can simply just copy and paste it here easily. Or if you purchased our cash flow funnel bundle, all you have to do is fill in the blanks within the funnel builder itself. Now, isn't that amazing? Start editing the elements here, such as your text, images, or video, and make sure to update all your button links here. And if you have your branding guideline ready, edit the colors and add in your personal touch using your logos or your own design elements as you wish. When you're done, make sure to SEO optimize your page for increased visibility. Click on Settings at the top left corner of the builder. Scroll down to SEO and update your metadata. Add your page title here, a brief description of the page, some keywords, and either your name or your brand name here. Lastly, you need to add a social image here to make sure you have an image preview whenever you share your link on social media. Now go ahead and hit save to move on to your next funnel step. The next funnel step you'll need is your upsell page to create your high-ticket offer page. Click on Add Step, name your funnel. Let's just say Upsell Page for now. Choose the upsell funnel type. And then click on Save. Now, an important thing to note is that your upsell page has to be placed after your order form page for it to work properly. Let's drag your upsell page to the top. Choose a template and click on Edit Page. A few things to update here. First, update the messaging to align with your tone of voice. Your branding, such as colors, fonts, or photos, you will need to have an accept button just like this and a decline button like this. Now, you don't need to update anything on the buttons other than the color, button text, or font sizes. Make sure the accept button and the decline button differentiates visually to establish your focal point. Don't forget to update the SEO metadata. You would have to do this for all your pages individually. Your third funnel step would be your downsell page. This should serve as your low-ticket offer page. Click on Add Step. Then name your funnel and select Downsell as your funnel type. Hit Save. And just like the other pages, make sure to update all the important elements within the funnel builder. Same as your upsell page, you won't have to do anything to your buttons other than update the branding or text. This page also requires an accept button and a decline button. Click save once you're done with your final touches. And let's move on to the next step. Begin updating all your text here. And buttons, and also your images. And again, don't forget to update the SEO metadata. When you're done with your edits, click Save. Our next step is to update the existing order form and thank you page here. Same setup as the other pages. Click on Order Form, select your template, and click on Edit Page. You should already know what to update on each funnel steps. Make sure you are updating and triple checking everything. Now do the same thing with your thank you page. Click on it, select a template, and begin editing your page. Now that we have all the pages we need, it's time to update your product settings. Make sure the funnel steps are in the right order as you can see in my screen. Let's start with the order form. Click on it. Under your step configuration, scroll down below to choose your offer type. In this video, we'll be choosing the digital product, and under your resources, you can either choose to give access to a course, a community, or add a tag. Select one or more resources, then hit save. Under your price plans, choose your price plan type. Select the existing price plan if you already have one, or create a new one here. Don't forget to click Save. You also have the option to add a coupon, which is a pretty amazing feature offered on the free system Flame. To complete your product setting configurations, do the same setup to your Upsell page and your Downsell page. Now that we're done with the funnel setup, let's go ahead and update your links for each page. Before you begin, you would have to connect your custom domain, which by the way you can do for free on System.io. You won't find that feature offered for free in any other platforms out there, which is awesome. But as setting up a custom domain is a whole another tutorial on its own. I've linked a page below for you to check out on your own so you can go through with it at your own pace. Moving on, once your domain has been connected, which you'll see on your funnel settings here, you can start updating your URL paths. Alright guys, in this video we've covered the important funnel steps you need to have an automated sales funnel page and talked about page editing, product configurations, SEO setup, as well as domain configurations. Your audience will have the option to purchase your main offer and your high ticket offer, and they would also have the opportunity to purchase your low ticket offer if they decline your upsell page. I'll have to wrap up this video, but if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please click the subscribe button so you're updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching. This is Clayne signing off. I'll see you on the next video.